Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Willie Davidson here. Today we're going to have a chat about this machine here. It's a trimmer. It's for trimming timber, wood, for making all different types of things like skirtings, trimmings, skirtings, making timber corners for on picture frames, all that kind of stuff, guys. As I say, it's a double blade trimmer and it does it in different angles. For now, guys, I've never used one of these before. I got given it to me from the father-in-law, and it's a tool. It's a classic tool, guys, so I thought I would show you it. I give it a wee clean up with some WD-40 and a wee rub down on that, and as I say, that's the blades there. There's one blade there, which is this, with the 3 screw holes holding it on, and the one at that side. Now, this is quite an old machine, guys, and a wee bit of advice about using these things. See the blades? Keep your fingers and hands well away from them, because operating this machine, it will take your finger off. If you put your finger in that hole and it shuts on you. See the handle? You move it from side to side and it cuts. Okay, this thing here, can you see the angles? You slacken this. I've got gloves on today, guys. I'll put them on. You got a bit of timber, right, a wee bit of wood, right, and you put it there, and it obviously can stick through to where the blade is, but obviously you're only doing small bits at a time. So at the moment it's set. I'll move this, slacken it, okay, and I'll move this out the road and let you see it. A wee bit slacker. Okay. Here's my wee duster. Yes, a wee wipe. As I say, I've just given it a clean, so there'll be some WD-40 still on it. So, see the wee line, guys? Is that 90? So that, what it was set on, was at a 90-degree cut on the end of the timber. And as I say, you can change it down to, so basically what you're doing is, see the 45? I'll try and get the camera at the right angle. You would line this edge up here on the line there, and then tighten it. See it? Tighten this up. Okay. Tell you what, we'll just leave that one at that angle. So that's set to 45 degrees. So basically, if I move the handle so that that moves to the side, if you put a bit of wood on there and poked it through, right, I'll turn it round. I'll turn it round, okay. So, see the bit of wood sticking out? Now I'm keeping my hands away from the blades, by the way. See if I sit that there, right? What I'll do is I'll give a wee demo, right? You put the wood through, can you see alright? Yep, near my finger, right? Through wee bits at a time. Now, guys, this is meant to be bolted to the bench, and it's no, because I'm only, as I say, I'm only going to demo it. It's not a thing that gets used every day. So I've got it on the bench, I've got the bit of wood, it's set to 45 degree. So you can see the end of the bit of wood now. That's like, it's going to end up getting taken down to a 45 degree angle, right? So we'll put it in. That's where the blade comes along, right this edge. So I'll start and we'll do wee bits at a time. Now, keep your fingers away from the blade. So I hold the bit of wood further back. See it? Do that. Put it back. Put a bit of wood and a wee bit yet. And just keep doing that. Oh. Try a wee bit less, that's a bit hard. Okay. Guys, I've never done this before. I'm just learning. Just a wee tiny bit. That's how it should cut. See guys, they are sharp, but I don't know if they're razor sharp. Just bring the wood for it a wee bit. You see that? For it a wee bit again. Oh, too much. Just wee bits at a time, guys. See if I maybe stand up. That's better. Move it forward a wee bit. Hold it again. Put your wood. For it a wee bit again. And just keep going. Wee bit again. Now guys, we're getting very near the end here, which is just about your 45-degree angle. Just a wee touch. And there you go. See what I mean? Did you see what I done there then? And that's your 45-degree angle. So you imagine doing 1, 2, 3, 4 of them at that angle, right? And putting them together as a square. If that was like picture frame wood, that would give you a picture frame. Basically, it would cut you timber for to make a picture frame. Right, let's get rid of this stuff. No. Get this out the road. Right, so, as I say guys, I've never actually for real used one of these before. I would have it bolted down. On the back of it, I'll show you the back of it. Now you've seen that's at the 45-degree angle blade set that the timber comes through. That there is where a bolt can go through, and there another bolt can go through, so it can be fixed to a bench so it's held solid guys. Obviously it's no the new. I actually wondered when I first looked at it, I seen T99, I thought that's what it was called, but then you've got T46 and then T98. That just must be the part numbers for how it's built guys. I didn't know if it's made, I really don't know where this machine is made. There's nothing on it that states. Now I know you get miter ones, is it miter trimmers? I think they're made in the USA. I just can't see anything on this one saying where it is actually made. Okay, what factory, where it's come from. I don't know. As I say, it doesn't say nothing on it. So as I say, you can see on that it's at 90. So that's basically on this side, that one is set to 90, right? So that'll give you like a straight cut right across at 90 degrees, your angle, right? 67, 60 and down to your 45. So you could do the 45-degree the other way if you wanted. And basically that's it. As you've seen what I've done there, you just slackened that and then moved it across to what angle you wanted to cut. You've got this wee nut and bolt here that actually you can shove it across and against this wee thing down here, and that actually doesn't let you go too far past the 90, if you get what I mean. It just keeps you set accurately on that line that goes all the way down to the cutter, basically. As I say, oh well, they blades are lethal, guys. As I say, it cuts at that side and it also cuts at that side. So as I say, that'll be merely a straight cut across at the 90 degree, when the one at the 45 cuts that way. You get what I mean? It's quite a great wee tool, as I say. It's a nice piece of kit to have. But as I say, it's not a thing I'll be using all the time, but it's there if I need it. If I need to cut timber at perfect angles. Because once they're tightened and in position, it's just, obviously if I'm going to start using it, I'm going to make some way or get a G-clamp or something and anchor it to a bench so that it can't move. So all I need to do is hold the timber further back away from the blade and then use the handle for to work it, basically, to make it cut and do the job, guys. That's basically it, really. If any's out there have used one of these before, or have got one, tell me what you think. As I say, I'll put that back. As I say that, see how that one there's set there, right? See the 90 degree line there? That'll shove back this here to touch that, and that'll be set on the 90 degree line. And then I can just tighten this. Tighten it, guys. And that's that one set 90 degrees as well. Okay, for the angles. Let's see, I'll get that wee wipe just so you can see it. But yeah, the blades are lethal, guys, honestly. Didn't put your fingers near them. Aye. But that's it. As I say, I was talking about, I'm going to end the video, guys. That's about 12 minutes. There's not really much more I can say about it. You got the gist of how the bit wood was basically at that angle. And I set that to 45 degree, and you just take wee nibbles off at a time until you get it to finish it. And that's how it works. You make 4 of them, put them together, and as I said, I'll make a square. Perfect square. Alright. If you like this, guys, hit that thumbs up button. If you've not subscribed, as I say, I'm going to do a lot of wee sort of tool talks and that. Try and find some old classic stuff for to show you. As I say, this one was a diamond in the rough. I'd never ever seen one of these before. There is quite a few, I wouldn't say there's loads of videos on YouTube, people using them, but the ones I did find on YouTube is the miter trimmer. If you type that in, and it'll take you to boys that use them and strip them and clean them, and they're the guys that use them, But as I say, it's quite a simple thing to use. It's just a dangerous thing to use with the blades. You've really got to watch. I can't say it enough, because I've already just lifting it, I accidentally touched one of the blades and it drew blood. I hate to say it. It got me, and I learnt my kind of lesson. I didn't put your hands near them again, because they are sharp. But with it lying, they're kind of rusting up. That's why I've been getting it a wee cleaning that. So anyway, I'll get you on the next one, guys. That'll do for this. As I say, something different. It's a trimmer. I don't know what brand it is. I really didn't. If any of you guys out there recognise what it is, whether it's if it had miter, it would be written on it. I don't know. No, the American version's different for the back. This is probably an English version. I don't know, guys. But use it there. Somebody will ken. Right, guys. I'll get you on the next one. Everybody, take care. Bye the new. Mind, like and subscribe. Cheerio.